Hi, welcome to the first video on using Adobe Shadow for testing, previewing your web pages on different devices, on the actual devices. Adobe Shadow is a new technology from Adobe. As you can see here, I'm on Adobe Labs website that you can use to synchronize different devices with your computer and preview the pages. Okay. The first step will be to download Adobe Shadow client for your Windows or Mac computer. So go to Adobe Labs, labs.adobe.com/technologies/shadow, scroll down the page and download Adobe Shadow release for Mac or Windows. So I'm going to click on it, this link here, and on the next page I'm downloading release number 2. We'll scroll down and I'm going to download Shadow for Windows. So I'll click on that and I'm going to save the file, yes, and we'll start downloading, and in just a few seconds it will be downloaded to my computer. Okay, it's scanning for viruses. Another step here will be to download the Shadow client for your device, for your mobile phone or a tablet. So you're going to download the client for iOS or for Android. I've already done it. I've already downloaded the Shadow client for Android. I'm going to show it to you on my Android tablet and then on my Android mobile phone as well. Okay. Another step here is to download the Google Chrome browser extension. So the first thing to do is you need to make sure that you have Google Chrome installed. So if you don't, go to google.com/Chrome and download Google Chrome web browser. I don't want to be my browser browser. Okay, and I'm going to accept and install Google Chrome. So again, I'm going to save the file. Okay. It's already downloaded it, so I'm just going to double click on it. I'll choose run, that's fine, and in just a moment Google Chrome will start installing. I'm going to close this window here. I'm also going to exit Firefox. Okay. Whenever you install any software, you should quit any web browser or any other application you're running on your computer. So quite often, for example, when installing Adobe software, you'll be prompted to quit your web browser or any Adobe software you're running at the same time. So this is one of the reasons why I quit the Firefox and I'm going to install Google Chrome without running any other web browser on my computer. It shouldn't take too long. You can see the shortcut appeared on my desktop, and here I've got the Google Chrome installed. Okay, and it's running. So I'm just going to relaunch my Firefox because I was on the Adobe Labs web page. Okay, and I'm going to download the Google Chrome browser extension, also here from the page. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy the address, and I'll do it within Google Chrome. So I'm just highlighting the address, I'm copying it to the clipboard. I'll close it, and I'm going to open it in here. I'll just paste the address and press enter. Let me just make it bigger, screen. Okay. I'm going to add it to Chrome. It says you can wirelessly connect multiple devices to your computer. So I'm going to click add to Chrome. Add Adobe Shadow. Yes, I want to add it, so I'll click add. It's running here in the background. Okay. And I've got a Adobe Shadow. Oh, you don't see it. Let me just resize the browser window. I've got the Adobe Shadow in here. Okay. I'm going to show you the next step in the next video. This is the first step. What I've showed you in here is how to download Adobe Shadow client for Windows, how to download Google Chrome if you don't have it, and how to install add-on to Google Chrome browser. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm Marek Mularczyk from saitraining.co.uk, one of the UK's leading specialists in Adobe Certified Training. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.